Hey, 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 bro. Those dance moves are killer moves. Hey, you. Hello, everyone. Thanks for clicking. I'm Official Keem. Reacts. I made it to the finals. I made it to the national finals. So in these finals, I'm going to check out Akylas. And I'll be reacting to Ferto. With that being said, let's see what's up. Let's see what going on. Peace. Guys, look. I'm excited. I'm happy right now. I'm feeling happy. Just by the starting of this, I can tell it's going to be epic. This is going to be a heck of a performance, bro. Because this guy is literally an energetic fellow.
Πρέπει να παίξω, δεν θα πάω πάσο. Mi ambición es juego, nunca fracaso. No al límite, todo lo arraso.
One thing I love about him is that his sense of humor is remarkable, right? And the way how he depicts his stories is amazing. His dressing is amazing. And look at the background. I guess this is a Mario scenery. But regardless, bro, if he is using a character such as Mario, then eventually he's unstoppable, right? He's one of those guys who never gives up. And I love it.
Κυνηγάω τα πάντα μέχρι να τα φτάσω. Θέλω ένα στέμα και ένα θρόνο να κάτσω. Ένα μπλοκ επιταγών και τσέξε όλους να γράψω. Φέρε μου ένα ποτό που θέλω να ξεδιψάσω. Με τα όλα, πάλι και θα χορτάσω.
Hey, you know, there's something special about him that is just very, very much interesting. His way of doing things interests me. Alright? And this guy always seems to come up with a lot of surprises, bro. And I love surprises. Alright? Nice! Okay.
Real estate, Ferto, sashimi tuna, Ferto. Τις ορολόγια lead designer σου λέω, Ferto. Δεν τερπαλτώ, Ferto, και escargot, Ferto. Rally cars, yo me estás, σου είπα, Ferto.
Bro, you see, we have people out there. It doesn't matter how much time you see them. The interest rate that they have, bro, always seems to be over full. Alright? Because what they do gets your interest. That's the reason why I say I love his sense of humor, because what he depicts here, this is who he really is personally. People came out to support him because they know he's real. He's a real one. Very genuine guy. And I love his dress code, bro. His dress code is very good, bro. Hey, bro. Those dance moves are killer moves, bro. Neat and tidy. 10 out of 10, bro. 10 out of 10 for this. Bro, it's in Jamaica, bro. We do moves like this. Right, but once someone add their flair to it, it becomes theirs, bro. And this is a very great move. And it is neat. Very gorgeously neat.
Ακόμη κι όλα δεν είναι αρκετά. Θέλω τόσα πολλά που δεν είναι απτά. Θέλω δόξα, ονειότητα και λεφτά. Ρούχα επιλεγμένα που είναι τόσο ακριβά. Να φωνάζουν το όνομά μου τόσο δυνατά.
Bro, to lift a gold man in the air like that, so steadily, so contrite, so precisely, alright? It takes a lot of practice. It takes a lot of breath control. It takes a lot of courage. It takes precision to hold someone in the air like that while singing and performing with that body movement, bro. Bro, come on, bro. Bro, this guy deserves an Oscar. When you look at it, he deserves an Oscar, bro. This is very well sorted out. Well done, bro. Well done. Let's continue.
Και να χορεύω, χορεύω, σώπα ψηλά. Φέρτο, φέρτο. Θέλω οπότε φέρτο. Φέρτο, φέρτο. Αν δεν το έχω φέρτο.
Yo, that's smooth, bro. One of my favorite movement by them was this. And the foot movement, bro. The stamping, bro, like a stampede, is also neatly done. I'm interested to know how the heck does they even get the chance to practice those movements so perfectly. This guy's a master at his work, at his craftsmanship, bro. Bro, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Nice one, my G. Nice one, bro. I'm excited as fuck.
Σου είπα φέρτο, φέρτο μου, φέρτο μου, φέρτο, φέρτο μου, φέρτο μου, φέρτο, φέρτο μου, φέρτο μου, φέρτο. Θέλω δόξα αιωνιότητα και λεφτά, ρούχα επιλεγμένα που είναι τόσο ακριβά.
Damn, bro. Yo. Oh my days, yo. Oh my days, yo. This is freaking gorgeous, dog. This is gorgeous, yo. Look at this performance, Benji. Yo, 10. I started 10, bro. This is very uniform, man. Damn, bro.
Να φωνάζουν το όνομά μου τόσο δυνατά, να λένε Ferto μας Akylas Ferto. Κοίτα μαμά, όσα στερηθήκαμε παλιά, νιώθω πως θα καταφέρω.
And he has a very remarkable voice. A great singer. A great actor. A great performer. Look at this guy, bro. Just so simply, but yet doing such great and humongous things, bro. Seeing is believing. And what I'm seeing here, this is unbelievable to know that this guy is such a talented guy. Bro, Greece is on fire at this point, bro. Big up your Greece. Let's continue.
Να προσφέρω, μη μας λείψει κάτι ξανά. Δες με μαμά, αγοράζω να κλείσω κενά. Θα σου πάρω και σένα πολλά, σπίτια, μάτια και εξοχικά.
Excellent color, bro. Excellent posture. Excellent performance. Great breath control. Very great scenery, to be exact. Superstar level. Superstar level.
Βέβαια, αν κερδίσω, whatever, κατάλαβες. Οπότε, φέρτο μου, φέρτο μου, φέρτο, φέρτο μου, φέρτο μου, φέρτο, φέρτο μου, φέρτο μου, φέρτο. Φέρτο μου, φέρτο μου, φέρτο, φέρτο μου, φέρτο μου, φέρτο, φέρτο μου, φέρτο μου, φέρτο. Σου είπα φέρτο.
Bro, the endings was enticingly good. The jumping with excitement can tell that he's very confident within himself, and what he has displayed here is a masterwork. Very good, very great energetic performance, very good song, energizing song, catchy lyrics. You know, it's a complete package for this guy. So if you guys enjoy my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, and I'll be back again pretty soon. So just stay tuned, my people. Peace.